Have you ever been in a quiet room and all of a sudden started hiccuping? It's something we have all experienced but do not know why it happens. Today, we will be diving into the science behind hiccups and exploring some effective ways to stop them. Let's get started. Hiccups are those involuntary contractions of the diaphragm, the large muscle at the base of your lungs, that helps with breathing. When the diaphragm spasms, it causes you to suddenly suck in air. This rapid intake of air makes your vocal cords close quickly, which creates the distinctive hic sound. Hiccups start with involuntary contractions of the diaphragm. This is often triggered by a phrenic nerve and vagus nerve, which help control the diaphragm's movement. When these nerves are irritated, they can cause the diaphragm to spasm. There are several common triggers for hiccups. Here are a few examples. First, eating too quickly or consuming large meals can irritate the diaphragm. Drinking carbonated beverages can also be a culprit due to the bubbles causing irritation. Sudden temperature changes in your food or drink, like alternating between hot soup or cold ice cream, can also trigger hiccups. Finally, a sudden emotional change such as excitement or stress can sometimes cause hiccups. But don't worry. There are several ways to stop hiccups once they start. Here are some popular remedies and why they might work. First is holding your breath, because this increases the level of carbon dioxide in the blood, which can sometimes stop the hiccup reflex. Drinking a glass of water can help reset the diaphragm's rhythm, especially if you drink it slowly and steadily. Also, swallowing a teaspoon of sugar stimulates the vagus nerve, which can also interrupt the hiccup reflex. These remedies might not work for everyone, but they are definitely worth a try next time you get hiccups. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more such medical content, and let us know in the comments if you have any quirky remedies for hiccups. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.